I brought a new pet in my mini zoo. You are watching this now. This is a beautiful bird, and this bird's name is cockatiel. Till long days I have thought I need this bird, and finally I brought it to my house yesterday from the pet market. I think all birds lovers choice list has this bird. Especially cockatiel birds head's feather is very iconic. So I keep the bird to mine. I brought more new animals to my house. In today's video, I will show all my new animals. The last few days ago it was raining every day, but today the sky is clear and weather is hot. The sky's blue color feels good to me. Really, it is beautiful to see. I opened this pet's room's window in the morning for hot temperature. Air is coming inside the room from the outside. These birds are called bajikar. Right sides, this one is a female bird, and left sides, this one is a male bird. Two birds are not fully adult now. 1 month later, they will be adults. When the female bird will be ready to lay eggs, I will make a new video to them. They are very little but fickle. I hope you too choose this bird to see. Today's video I will not do long. The next video will come very soon. If you are an animal lover, subscribe to my channel.